Welcome back to another saucy video. Today I will be making a vegan teriyaki shiitake mushroom bowl. We're going to start with dicing up some garlic as well as some onions. I prefer red onions, but you can use whatever you like. Also some bell peppers. We have red, yellow, as well as orange peppers here. And then we have our pre-sliced shiitake mushrooms. We're going to use this non-GMO rice for the shiitake rice bowl. It's got brown, purple, and red rice. And you're only going to use 1 cup of rice and 2 1/4 cup of water. Turn the stove to medium-high. Grab your favorite vegetable broth. I have organic Simply Nature here. Pour that into your pan. So instead of oil, we're using the vegetable broth to keep it low fat. We're going to add the minced garlic to the liquid so that we can start to season the broth. We're just gonna stir that around. Once the liquid comes to a rolling boil, we're gonna add some black pepper. Any black pepper of your choice is fine. Put that in there. I prefer to use Lawry's seasoned salt. So we're going to add some of the Lawry's seasoned salt to the garlic and the liquid. And just stir that around a little bit so it mixes well together. Then we're going to add the red onions. I'm going to turn the heat down up just a little bit. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit so that we can have it come to a boil. Look at that. I'm just gonna leave it. Wish you could smell that. It smells so good. All the flavors coming together. Now we're gonna add the peppers. Mix that up really well so we can coat the peppers with the broth. That looks so good. Look at all the colors just popping. That's what you like to see in your food. It makes it more appetizing. And then we're going to cover it and let it simmer. Then we're going to remove the top and stir just a little bit more before we begin to add our sauces to the vegetables. We're going to start by adding some oyster sauce. probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons. We're going to stir it just a little bit. Make sure we get everything coated with the oyster sauce. We're going to add the shiitake mushrooms to the mixture. And give it a good mix. Make sure the temperature is low. And then we're going to cover it and let it simmer. Now we're back again to add some more seasoning to our pot. We're going to add hoisin sauce. Two heaping teaspoons. And then we're gonna add, I'm using some P.F. Chang's teriyaki sauce, but you can use any teriyaki sauce of your choice. And I'm gonna put in about 4 tablespoons or so. It's to your taste. And then mix it together. Look at the colors in that. That looks so good. And it smells amazing. Cover it again and let it simmer. As I mentioned, I use the hoisin sauce and the teriyaki sauce. You can use whichever brand you choose. Once it's done simmering, it's gonna look like this. And then we're gonna go back to our rice that we were cooking. It has a nice dark earthy color. And when it's finished, it's going to look like this. Look at all those beautiful earth tone colors. It's such a great dish for fall. I hope you enjoyed my video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.